विधानसभेचे वृत्तांकन करपाक सभापतीन जाहीर केल्ल्या गायडलायन्सांचेर एडिटर्स गिल्डान नाराजी उक्तायल्या। हे विशीं सभापतीक रितसर मेमोरंडम दितले आनी उपरांत तांची भेट घेतले अशें सगळ्या एडिटर्सांचे शुक्रारा सांजे बसकेंत थारला।
This Friday evening, all the editors of print, electronic media and also representatives of websites met today on a very important issue which resulted out of the stringent and draconian guidelines issued by the Legislative Assembly on the future accreditation of journalists covering the Assembly. All the senior journalists and senior editors of Goa met to deliberate on those guidelines and have expressed dissatisfaction about the nature of the guidelines and the fact that it deviates from all procedures established for accreditation of journalists in the state of Goa historically. We have decided that we will jointly write to the Speaker, send him a memorandum expressing our dissatisfaction and seeking an appointment with him to further deliberate on the issue, to see to it that the spirit of journalism as well as the dignity of the Speaker's office are both maintained and we can work harmoniously together to ensure that proper dispensation of news goes out to all our readers, and so that the people of Goa can really understand and grapple and understand assembly proceedings in the manner that it should. We will send this memorandum to the Speaker very, very shortly and seek an appointment and then further meet him.
देवबाग काणकोणा फॉरेनर बायलेच्या खुनाचे केशीत मडगांव कोर्टात पुराव्यांचेर सुनावणी जाली। 14 मार्च 2017 आयरिश पर्यटक बायलेची बॉडी काणकोण पुलिशेक मेळिल्ली। खुना पयलीं लैंगीक अत्याचार केल्लो म्हूण पोस्टमार्टमाचेर स्पश्ट जाल्लें। काणकोणचो हिस्ट्री शीटर विकट भक्ताक ह्या प्रकरणात अटकूय जाल्ली। कोर्टान केस 13 एप्रिलाक दवरल्या।
Any other question I will answer, but not on the case. Thanks.
Today, I mean, the evidence was taken from the complainant who had first seen the body. So that evidence is part of the process of the court gathering all its facts, right, before coming to any conclusion. So this evidence was taken through examination in chief by the public prosecutor, and the defense had some cross-examination which was done, and the balance will be done in the next hearing.
So when will the next hearing?
On 13th.
13th of April.
First is all the evidence, the facts have to be gathered, and after that only one will have some idea about where the conclusion could be. So at this stage everybody is working hard towards putting the facts together.
चांद्रा प्रस्तावित स्टेट हायवेचो आराखडो बदलपाचेर सरकार विचार करता। पीडब्ल्यूडी मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकार आनी विजय सरदेसाय चांद्रा वचून इन्स्पेक्शन करून आयले। सध्या तरी पर्यायी रस्तो ना, ताचेर परत सर्वे करतले म्हूण विजय उलयला। 1-2 म्हयन्यांनी सर्वे जातलो म्हूण ढवळीकारान उतर दिला।
सांगला की बाबा आमी अंडरस्टूड जाल्या, सुदीनान पर्सनली सांगला आमी अंडरस्टूड जाल्या की तो रोड होरेन तेवदान आहा आनी दे आर गोइंग टू रिअलायनमेंट तेवदानूच करून करतात म्हूण पारोडाच्यान टू केपेंच्यान एवॉयड करून सारके शिरवय तिला मळा वयल्यान भायर काडूंक सोदता।
And we have decided first to survey wherever possible things for these state highways. The Town and Country Planning Department has notified somewhere in 1977-78, and that is the reason it is their bound duty to write to PWD for the survey and also to relocate this state highway. And if possible, in next 1 to 2 months, we will try to complete the survey, and then only we decide on this particular state highway.
So today after the visit, it appears that he is aware what the issues are, and by and large he is in agreement with the demands of the people of Chandor that the state highway should be realigned. But the principle remains that realignment cannot happen without an alternate alignment being proposed. As of now, the villagers also are quite in the same position as we were earlier. They are suggesting a route which has somehow not been put on paper. So for which it is clear that a survey will be required to be commissioned, which I felt that it is better for the PWD itself to do and for the villagers to cooperating. Survey will go through private properties, create some apprehensions.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक.